You have pre and post-surgical. So you have a lot of information and reference pre and post surgically. Some people just do that. They're a profession working with a surgeon and they work with different type of surgery. And you prepare the tissue before surgery. You stimulate the immune system before surgery. You decrease edema. If you have a car accident, you want to decrease the swelling before you can really do a surgery. You detoxify the tissue. You have a cleaner surgical site. And so you give it a few hours, because what happens is sometimes you drain the anesthesia out of the tissue much faster. So the people wake up during surgery, so you need to re-inject anesthesia. They're not used to that. They put the anesthesia is good for their surgery, but if you drain just before, like 30 minutes before, people wake up, they have to re-inject a bit of anesthesia because you ran too close to surgery. So give it a few hours. And after surgery, you can drain as fast as you want, as long as you don't reopen the wound. You're going to prevent infection, detoxify, especially the anesthesia, especially if you work on the liver. You get stuck there often. You release the spasm, the pain, increase fluid circulation, and the scar is going to be much, much better if you drain. There's no stagnation there. You need to have LT1, LT2 to be able to drain and be very efficient and map which direction send what. After a scar, you don't know if the lymph flow is going to be under the scar or across the scar or not. So this, you need a little bit more of skills to see exactly where to send the lymph, where it needs to go, and have a most beautiful scar and prevent infection and things like that.